In this video, we are going to see that if we want to enable or turn on the comments on all of our YouTube videos in bulk. So let's say that we have uploaded a couple of videos, but we haven't turned on the comments for some reason. And now we feel that it is very essential for the public interaction and it actually benefits your channel. So here's how you can update that in bulk for all of the videos. First of all, let me just tell you how we can do it for a single video. So for example, for a single video, if we have this turned off, we click on this YouTube Studio, click on the content and select that specific video. And you scroll down, click on show more. And from here, right at the bottom, it says comments and ratings. We click on turn on the comments and we add a moderation policy if you want to. Let's say the basic moderation, which holds the potentially inappropriate comments and restrict who can comment on your videos. So click on save. But let's say that we want to update any policy or we want to make all the videos enable the comments. What we can do is just select all the videos, but it selects only 30 videos, which is on the particular page. Click on select all to select all of the videos across the channel and click on the edit, click on the comment section. And now you will see all of that policies. So whether you just want to turn on, turn off, or pause all the comments from all of the videos, or maybe you haven't set the moderation policy and that is why you receive a lot of spam links and other kind of inappropriate stuff in your comments. You can set the moderation policy for all of the videos and you can also restrict who can comment on your specific video on your channel. And after that, we just hit a single update videos and it will apply it in bulk. I understand the application. Click on the update videos and this update will take some time because it says here that this is a bulk update. So 188 videos are successfully updated and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.